Hello, my name is Ahmad Fattahi, Senior Director of Data Science at Cloud Software Group. Several years ago, I had the great opportunity to build a brilliant predictive model that used the cutting-edge clustering and classification algorithms. The problem, you might have guessed it, nobody wanted to use it. You might wonder why. I'm going to tell you how to avoid that problem. I've spent the last 2 decades turning data into decisions, leading AI initiatives that improve the top line, reduce costs, and unlock innovation. That eventually helps us align tech with business goals, which is the most important point. Whether launching Spotfire Copilot, cutting 6-figure operational costs, or presenting to Fortune 500 C-suites, which is always a source of anxiety for many people, my focus has always been on building what matters. Today, I want to share with you some of my tricks as an AI leader to improve the top line, cut the costs, and eventually use AI-driven analytics to achieve business goals. And specifically, I'm going to give you 3 key strategies that I've used successfully in the past, over the past dozen years, to get that done. Point 1, anchor on impact, not algorithms. AI teams, and especially the technologists like myself, guilty, often start with models or technology. Making an impact in the real world often starts with the mission. That means that translating a real world problem into its analytics counterpart, that's the crucial point to start from. At Spotfire, we didn't start from a transformer-based large language model LLM. Instead, we said, we need an AI assistant that turns hours of data analysis for process optimization into seconds of insights and action. That was the mission, the real world problem. The technical problem behind it came naturally afterwards. When customers see the impact, they start to engage and they share even more with you. It creates a virtuous cycle. Point number 2, build as close to your users as possible. As my engineering friends would say, there's an inverse proportional relationship between the quality of the product and the distance to its users. That's why I always push for embedded iteration, tight feedback loops between design, machine learning teams, go-to-market teams, and most importantly, users from day one. For Spotfire Copilot, this meant structured working sessions across disciplines with a group of trusted expert users on a regular basis, not just one-off. We didn't wait for the handoff. We actually started to co-build together with our users. That's how you go from an idea to launch in less than 6 months. And that's not all. As a bonus, when you go to GA or general availability of your product, you have already built the core of your early adopters, which is a truly, truly valuable point. Point 3, build teams and processes that scale with the mission and the life cycle of your product. So you need definitely a multitude of disciplines and skills for a successful enterprise AI product. No question about that. I've learned that repeatable success comes from designing teams and processes that mirror the product journey, from innovation to enablement and everything in between. That's why I restructured my teams to focus not just R&D, but on user enablement, customer success, and sales. The result, up to 3x team growth, less than 10% attrition due to job satisfaction and things just flowing naturally, and most importantly, a product that your users want to use. Let me sum it up. Generating value with AI products isn't about having all the answers on day one. Far from it. It's about setting the vision, staying close to your users, and building the right self-correcting processes in the team. If you're building the future with AI, it's a very valuable thing, very exciting, but remember, your product is only as strong as the alignment behind it. Let's build it right together. Thank you.